Coca Cola North China production-based practical analysis and technical evaluation of specialized air conditioning for high-large spaces project overview. The North China factory of Coca Cola is located in Jiangnan County, Langfang City, Hebei Province. It covers an area of 140,000 square meters. The first phase of the project involves constructing factory building with an area of 65,000 square meters. A total of 9 production lines will be built, with an annual capacity of 250 million standard cases. This facility will serve as a significant production base for Coca-Cola in the North China region. The North China factory of Coca-Cola pays great attention to low-carbon environmental protection, emphasizing the use of green clean energy and the recycling of resources in building design and production operations. During the construction process of this factory, the entire project's HVAC solution is being comprehensively implemented with energy-saving high-large spaces dedicated air conditioning units. AirTS is the supplier of the air conditioning system for this project.